Home Remedies presents.
You have to try this remedy to ease your aching joints. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share a very amazing remedy to ease the aching joints and reduce inflammation. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. If you need a strong anti-inflammatory to ease your aching joints, then you have to try this remedy. This remedy acts as a strong anti-inflammatory medication when it comes to easing the swelling and pain of arthritis. So let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: basil leaves 25 grams, basil stem 25 grams, basil roots 25 grams, basil seeds 25 grams, jaggery 25 grams. Procedure: take the basil leaves, stems, seeds and root, crush them thoroughly and dry it in shadow. Once completely dried, take jaggery and grind all the items together to make a fine powder. Store it in an airtight jar. Dosage: take 6 grams of this powder twice a day, morning and evening, with milk. To get best results, use goat milk instead of normal milk.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.